Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind a Gruen Mechanical Watch. So this is a vintage 1950s ladies manual winding mechanical watch. So this means that we need to manual wind the watch, and you do that by rotating the watch crown to the right, upwards, or in a clockwise direction. This is how you need to remember it. So we are going to rotate it in a clockwise direction, once again to the right, and you can do this for around 10 to 20 times. You can also hear the watch wind. One very important thing that you need to remember when it comes to vintage and antique manual winding mechanical watches is that as you keep on winding the watch with your two fingers, you are going to feel a lot more resistance as you keep on winding. So you are going to feel the resistance increasing as you keep on winding, and that is because you are getting closer and closer to the maximum amount of times you can actually wind the watch. Once you start to feel that resistance, so it becomes very hard to wind, you need to stop, because that means you have reached the maximum threshold of windings. Do not attempt to overwind it, because you can actually damage the watch and you are going to need a full service and a few parts replaced within your watch. So make sure not to do that. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to wind your Gruen mechanical watch, so a manual winding mechanical watch. This is going to work for both men's and women's mechanical watches, also for more vintage and more modern pieces. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.